Hi everybody, this is a simple tutorial about Excel Fly with ExTool, how to seamlessly plug in your customized calculation within the ExTool platform so that it can be accessed from anywhere from the internet and be customized with data and logic separation. Let's go into the demo. We open a new Excel sheet. Right-click on empty cell, ExTool, and in this case we try to call a design calculation sheet that was prepared by other engineers and in this case used as a simple example of how a previous effort of an engineer can be seamlessly plug into the system so that it can be available to anybody else with protection of the intellectual property. So let's shift and click ExTool. It will load from the cloud a file, essentially a sheet with a pie group analysis. This is very simple. In this case, let's say we need to put in these pile locations matrix and the force in the system. Let's say we use the data in these existing or we delete these are the outputs of the calculation that we can delete them and hit design pile 25, right click ExTool. It recalculates whatever it needs, and all the original calculation is essentially not visible, and the original calculation sheet is then expanded to allow parametric calculation in such a way that you can batch input information. So in this case I prepare 3 cases. Each one of them has different pile configuration with the load configuration, and in this case we only record, or we are only interested in the maximum and minimum pile reaction, both in vertical and horizontal. So these will be the outputs of the batch calculation that we will save. So let's try the batch calculation. It asks us to input the cases. So let's select all 3 cases and click OK. So all the results over here are updated. Let's just say we clear them one more time and so they are repopulated with the calculated data. You can also print what you have done. Because I haven't saved this new workbook, so it does not allow me to print because it doesn't know where to print to in terms of folder. So let's say we print to a demo folder. Let's just save as this demo file, and then we can print these 3 files. So it's all done. It also repopulates these information. So there are 3 files created. We can open one of them. Essentially, it's a hard copy of the case 1, which has 6 piles in this original setup, and all the calculation sheet are archived in individual PDFs with case number automatically added to each PDF, so that you know which case number you are calculating. Say for instance, this is number 3, which you have 9 piles at these 12-meter spacing for Y direction. So that concludes how we can easily plug in a previous effort of Excel calculation within the ExTool platform. Thanks for watching.